Hey there, and welcome to our video on programming. Programming, also known as coding, is an essential skill in today's digital world. But what exactly is programming, and why is it so important? So, in this video, we'll explore the basics of programming and give you a better understanding of what it's all about. So, what is programming? At its core, programming is the process of creating software using a programming language. A programming language is a set of instructions that a computer can understand and execute. There are many different programming languages out there, including Java, Python, C++, and many more. But why is programming important? Well, think about all the technology we use every day, from smartphones and computers to cars and home appliances. All of these things are powered by software, which is created by programmers. Without programming, we wouldn't have any of the amazing technology we have today. Programming is also essential for businesses and organizations. Many companies rely on software to run their operations, from managing inventory to processing orders and payments. Without programmers, these businesses wouldn't be able to function. But programming isn't just for professionals. Anyone can learn to program, and it's becoming an increasingly important skill to have. Learning to code can help you automate tasks, solve problems, and even create your own software or apps. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding hobby that can lead to exciting career opportunities. So, there you have it. A brief overview of what programming is and why it's so important. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, there's always something new to learn in the world of coding. So why not give it a try? You never know where it might take you. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.